Hello everyone, welcome back to Codelytics. I am Jawan. You already know that I am solving the LeetCode SQL 50 study plan questions. I have already covered the first three questions and their solution videos are now already available on the channel. Today I am going to solve the next question, that is question number 4 in this series. So today's question is LeetCode problem number 1148, that is article views. So here we have given this views table. In that we have column that article ID, author ID, viewer ID and the view date. There is no primary key for this table. The table may have some duplicate values also. So each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article which is written by some author on some date. Note that equal author ID and the viewer ID indicates the same person. The question is to write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. We have to return the result sorted by ID in the ascending order. The result format is as per the below example. We have this views table here and the expected output is in this format where we need the ID with the 4 and the 7. Okay, so let us write the solution. For writing this SQL query, I am using this MySQL database. So let us start with the solution. I will write select. Okay, what we need is we need this authors. Okay, so for author we have this author ID, so it's author ID, and here we have to use alias since in the output we have given this ID name only. Select from this views table where we have the condition that the authors that viewed at least one of their own article. So this author ID is equals to the viewer ID. Okay, and we need to sort the result by ID in ascending order. Ascending is actually not mandatory, but you can write also. Okay, so let's run. Okay, why the answer is wrong? Because see, in the output we are getting this 4 as 2 times. Okay, we need the only the unique values, so for that we will use the distinct function here. Okay, so now let me run this. Okay, so you can see our answer is correct. For this input, that is this views table, we are getting the output as this 4 and 7, which is what the expected output one. So this return query is the solution for this question number 1148, that is article views. I hope you understand the solution. If you understood the solution, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your friends. Every day I am solving one question and posting its explanation video on YouTube. Also, all the solution queries are available on the GitHub. I will drop the link in the description so that you can access it. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video solution. Till then, goodbye.